Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make a custom welcome message on Discord. Alright, so with this message, whenever a new person is added to a Discord server, a welcome message is going to be sent to that person. So let me show you guys how you guys can make it. So first, what you want to make is go to your Discord server. Once you go to your Discord server, what you want to do is you want to add a text channel. Create a text channel and name it. Once you make a channel called welcome, you want to make it sure it's private. All right, and you want to click on next, and right now you don't want to select anyone from here over here. All right, so you can click on skip. So only I can type on this channel right now. So I created a welcome channel over here. Now basically what I want to do is go to my Chrome browser or any search browser and search for Me6Bot. Once you search for Me6Bot, you want to click on where it says Me6 the Discord bot. You want to click on it. Once you're over here, what you want to do is click on add to Discord, and then this screen pops up. Now over here you can click on authorize. Wait for some time. After it's authorized, it's going to take you over here. Now it's asking you which server you want to set this bot. So I'm going to click on Nepal because I want to set it over here. I can click on set up Me6. Once I'm over here, it's the server over here. I can click on continue. Scroll down and click on authorize. I'm human. After you're verified, this bot is going to be added to your server. Now wait for some time. This bot has been added to your server. Now basically what you want to do over here is you want to search for welcome, and over here it says give new user a warm welcome. Click on welcome. Now over here you want to open your Discord again, and go to the server which you just created and go to welcome over here and click on this question mark over here. This welcome is a new channel which you created, the text channel. Click on edit channel. Now once you're over here, you want to go on permission, and permission you want to click on add members or role, and you want to add Me6Bot over here. Alright, you want to add the Me6Bot. Once Me6Bot is added, basically what you want to do is click on send a message when a user joins the server, turn it on, and after that it's going to show you please select the channel. So what we want to do is we want to click on welcome. So once we choose welcome, it's going to ask which message we want to give the new added person. So I want to say this is going to be my message to the newly added person. Welcome to my channel. Have a nice time in this server. Now after that, I can just click on save. And after that, it's done. That's basically done. Now whoever new joins this server, a message is going to pop up in their welcome channel saying, welcome to my channel. Have a nice day. So that's basically how you guys can add a custom welcome to new user on Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. That's it, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.